everyone, I'm Allie, co-founder of Potomac Beads, and I'm going to do a spotlight for you today on Vexolo beads. Vexolo beads are a Czech glass, and they are a little bit similar to the Diamond Duo. The Vexolo beads, when you are looking at them, come in all the great finishes and colors that we love, and they are sized by 5 by 8 millimeter. They have this nice isosceles triangle shape, which is going to make them different from a key-up or a tango, because they do have two sides that are longer and one side that is shorter. They also have a side to them, or a front and a back. One side of them is going to be nice and flat, and the other side has a little bit of a diamond look to it. This is not faceted, it is part of the mold, much like the Diamond Duo beads. Like I said before, it is 5 by 8 millimeter, and because of its shape, it allows it to lay really, really nicely into an actual full circle that you can circle it around to create the design. I had played with it a little bit on Twitch recently because it is a newer bead and made this kind of snaking design, which I'm going to be working through. Also, if you haven't checked it out yet, I have a pair of earrings on that are a nice Art Deco look using them, called the Fanfare earrings. You can see that they have two holes, much like other counterparts of the Czech glass family, and they come in all the nice lusters and metallics and crystal bases and white bases that you love coming out of the Czech Republic. Again, they are 5 by 8 millimeter. I would try them out in a number of different designs in place of some of the bars or the bricks, as well as some of the Diamond Duos themselves too. You're going to need a little bit of seed beads on the sides, but really try out the difference of this different Vexolo shape and how it might influence and change any designs that you have. You can also check out designs that have them going in that circular fashion to create a nice and easy bezel. Remember, if you do need any of the Vexolo beads, they are 5 by 8. We sell them in 9-gram tubes, and we have them available at potomacbeads.com as well as potomacbeads.eu. We'll put the little link below me in the description of the video. And remember, if you want to, you can always give a little thumbs up. Comment below on any designs that you may like or want to see using the Vexolos, as well as subscribe to this YouTube channel. When you subscribe to the YouTube channel, you'll get regular updates from us here at Potomac Beads on new products like these, as well as new tutorials and new ideas. As always, thanks so much for watching, and enjoy if you get your hands on some of the newer Vexolo beads.